Just kind of looking over. All right, so how'd you feel today?
Good. I felt good. It's the mechanics are starting to come in. Just some easier swing thoughts I can work on for practice. So
Okay.
but yeah, the ball's coming off the club a lot better.
Good. So I know like the first lesson, we worked on the rotation, getting rid of the chicken wing.
Yep.
Then we did some chipping. The second lesson, which we were kind of getting stacked on our left side, right, which is just a small, large swing. So today we kind of incorporated both.
Yep.
Right. So today it was, you get up here, right? You do like to take your heel off the ground, which is great, right? But from there, the first move is we're getting that heel back down, right? That's going to help us get that weight to our left side, and then from there, rotating around that hip. So we can get the hip and the shoulder, especially with an iron, right? Getting it on top of our left side, and then rotating around it, you're going to get that extension, you're going to get the compression. One of the nice things today, we brought out the launch monitor, and you could see the difference, right? When you hit it, when you compressed it, the distance was, consistent and good, right? If your weight stayed on your right side a little bit, we caught it a little thin, maybe a little fat, and didn't get quite the distance on it, but the nice thing is your balls, they were all going straight, which is important. So when you practice, what I would recommend is, keep it on a tee. I like that. The reason I like the tee is because it slows you down, right? You're not just gonna rake another ball and like hit it without thinking about what kind of shot you're hitting.
Oh, you're setting the ball back up on the tee.
Yeah,
Okay.
it slows you down, right?
All right.
Makes you grab a ball,
Yep.
put it on a tee,
Okay.
right? You can regroup, right? Because you're not gonna hit every shot good, right?
Yep.
So put it on a tee, make sure that ball is behind your ball you're hitting, so you know to take that club head right over it, so you're staying on plane, right? Set up, feel it, do a nice practice swing where you feel the weight shift, and then just get over the ball and try to mimic that feel. The more practice swings you make that are correct, the faster you're gonna get there, right? If you just hit balls and don't feel it in slow motion, it's gonna take you longer to get to the point where you want. Because when you do a practice swing, right, you're feeling the weight shift, that's what I want, right? You do that a few times, that's what I want, and then you hit a ball. If you do it right or wrong, continue the same thing. Do the practice swing, really feel what you're trying to feel, and then do it with the ball. So then what happens is, now you're making 3 or 4 swings, as opposed to just one, that may or may not be the right swing.
Okay.
Where 2 or 3 of them are gonna be really good. Right, so you get there sooner.
Okay.
That's it, man.
All right. Well, I appreciate it, and thanks for the tools. It's on me now to put it together.
You got it, yeah.